Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with a fitness website. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you interested in making money online by starting a fitness website? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to start a fitness website and how to drive traffic to your site. We'll also share some ideas on how to make money with your fitness website. First, let's talk about starting a fitness website. Whether you're a personal trainer, fitness instructor, or just someone who's passionate about health and fitness, starting a fitness website can be a great way to make money online. A fitness website can help you build an audience of people who are interested in your services or products. And it can also be a great platform for sharing your knowledge and insights about health and fitness. To get started, you'll need a few things: a domain name, web hosting, a content management system, an email service provider, a payment processor, and a design template. Once you have your website set up, it's important to drive traffic to it. One way to do this is through SEO, or search engine optimization. This involves optimizing your content for relevant keywords and phrases related to fitness and health, and improving your website's ranking in search engine results pages. Another way to drive traffic is through content marketing. By creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content related to fitness and health, you can attract visitors to your site who are interested in what you have to say. This can also help you build relationships with other websites and influencers in your niche. Social media is also a powerful tool that can be used to drive traffic to your fitness website. By sharing links to your site's content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, you can reach a wide audience and drive traffic to your website. Now let's talk about how to make money with your fitness website. There are several ways to monetize your website, including advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling products and services. Advertising is when you allow other businesses to place ads on your website in exchange for a fee. This can be a great way to make money, but be careful not to overcrowd your website with ads, as this can detract from the user experience. Sponsorships are similar to advertising, but instead of placing ads on your website, you're partnering with a brand to promote their products or services. This can be a great way to make money, especially if you have a large and engaged audience. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service on your website, and receive a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. This can be a great way to make money by promoting products or services that align with your fitness website's niche. Selling products or services on your website is another great way to make money. This could include things like ebooks, online courses, personal training sessions, or fitness equipment. By offering valuable products or services that align with your niche, you can monetize your website and make money from your audience. There you have it, a guide on how to make money with a fitness website. Starting a fitness website can be a great way to make money online, but it takes hard work and dedication. By driving traffic to your website, creating high-quality content and using different monetization strategies, you can make your fitness website a profitable one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.